There is nothing in the universe that responds faster to your thoughts than your own physical body. Well, what I love about that is whether you want to just feel stronger or be slimmer or fitter or whatever it is that you want your avatar to help you do, vitality in your thoughts are the key. So let's jump right in and get some vitality. Okay, first we're going to check in to see how we feel. I feel okay. Let's roll the shoulders to get started and just move. This is easy. Anybody can do it. You can do it in any outfit, but it's just warming up the body just a little bit. Now we're going to take a big wide stance and take up a lot of space and breathe in and let it go and do it again. And I want you to feel like you're feeling that formless substance that you're combing your fingers through, that everything in the entire universe is made of. And breathe one final big breath in. Hold it at the top. And let it go. Again, roll the shoulders. We're just gonna tilt your neck to one side and wrap your arm over it, giving it a nice little stretch. Pulling up through the core. Do you just see how I got taller just doing that? Same works for you. And switch to the other side. And if you feel like giving a little bit of extra, you could just put your hand on your shoulder because it feels good. Now we're going to do a couple neck rolls. And take your time. Linger in the back. And then head flip up. Okay. So put your hands on your hips, pull up through your chest. And we're just going to stand here and enjoy the energy flowing to us. What do you feel? Do you feel a little stronger? Now, while you're standing here, I just want you to tighten every single muscle in your body. And pretend that you have a string from your head pulling you to heaven. Pushing down through the feet. So it looks like I'm just standing here, but I'm feeling very active all the way up through my body. Shoulders down, neck up. Tight in. And then we're going to let that go. Do a wide stance, feet forward, and you just bring the left feet forward and just melt into it. This is kind of at a 45-degree angle. And we're just going to go into Warrior One. Lifting your arms up. Now you really want to feel pull up. That's where our vitality is coming from. We are strong, long drinks of water. And then you're moving your chest towards the front. Push down through the back leg. Even if you can't ground that foot, just keep feeling the energy being pushed down and pull up. Just the intention of being so deliberate and vibrant with your movements will make you feel stronger and slimmer and more powerful. And open up into Warrior Two. And look forward, and you're pushing, so the energy is going like that. And then rainbow, cartwheel your hands over your head for reverse warrior. And what's so wonderful about these movements is how much space you're taking up. You deserve to take up space. Own your space. And come back up. And we're just going to switch sides by pointing our toes to the front and then changing to the other side. Unfolding your hands and just sinking down into warrior one. And it's okay if you have to bring the back foot up, down, but remember to pull up through the core, not lean forward. Pull up and sit down. Now we're going to open to warrior two. Take up that space, look forward, feel the energy being pulled to the sides. Big deep breath in, sink a little bit deeper, and cartwheel your hands back over to the other side. Awesome. Now we're just going to go all the way down to the floor into a little plank. Hi, Planky. Plank can make you feel so strong, so solid, so vibrant. Hold it for a few more seconds. Tighten the core, tighten the buns of steel. Run. Okay. Drop to your knees. We're going to do a couple cat-cows. So just drop your tummy to the floor and arch your back. And then reverse, pulling your belly button up and pinning it to the sky. This is to strengthen and lengthen. Vitality is all about feeling strong, taking up space, feeling grounded, feeling your own uniqueness and importance. Now we're just going to slowly turn over and sit on our bum. And we are going to say some affirmations straight to our heart. So if you like, put a pillow at the bottom of your spine. Not necessary, but if you want to do that, do it. And just roll back. And I want you to say these after me. These are Abraham Hicks inspired. Put your hands over your heart. Breathe in and repeat after me. Your natural state is one of wellness. Your natural state is one of wellness. Your thoughts create your vitality. Your thoughts create your vitality. Everything is vibrational. Everything is vibrational. Now slowly sit up. Move the pillow out of the way. And we're just going to seal this practice with what we're grateful for. Grateful is the ultimate connector to our dreams, our goals, our wish lists. So breathe in. I am so grateful. I am so grateful. Now, my earthling, let's finish our practice with sealing it with an intention. And I'm going to offer up an intention today. I intend to feel strong, fit and vibrant today. Breathe it in. And we're going to send it out to the universe and with one Om that is the sound of the universe. Om.